All right, I'm assuming you speak English, because we're going to read some English. Are you there? You ready? For if we have been planted together in the likeness of his death, we shall be also in the likeness of his resurrection. Knowing this, here's what you got to know, that our old man, look at there, old man. What happened to your old man? It was crucified with Christ. And that old man is also the body of sin. And what happened to the body of sin? It was destroyed. That henceforth we should not serve sin. Look at the sentence. He defines sin as the body of sin and the old man. Sin here is a noun. Person, place, or thing. Sin is a noun. This is not a verb. He didn't say your old man was crucified, the body of sin was destroyed, and now you won't be sinning no more. What he says is, you're not going to serve the old man, because the old man is responsible for your sinning. But if the old man has been destroyed, and if the old man has been crucified, then you don't have to serve the old man. Verse 7, for he that is dead is freed from, watch this, the old man. You're free from the old man.